Hi, my name is Romano, and what are the goals of DevOps? When we are talking about DevOps, we say that we want to have value as fast as possible in production, then get feedback from production and establish a continuous learning culture. But what are the goals of that? So what are we aiming for? So first of all, we want to have more frequent deployments and deployments with a better quality. That's why we are focusing on a proper CI/CD pipeline. Then we want to be able to innovate and take risks with this very good CI/CD pipeline, and we want to also be able to do experiments. By pushing value fast into production and getting feedback and having this learning culture, we are able to do these experiments. And what we also want to have is a faster time to market. By being able to analyze the whole value stream and focus on removing these bottlenecks, we are able to have faster time to market of our features and of our products. And then we want to have a better overall quality. This is also done by putting the quality testing or the unit testing, integration testing directly into the CI/CD pipeline so that the testing is done fully automatically. And this also leads then to a faster lead time for fixes in production. When something happens, we can easily fix that right away and put it through the pipeline. And one of our goals is also to lower the severity and also the frequency of release failures. So we don't want to have these release failures. That's why we release very often and train very often releasing into production. And last but not least, we want to have a low mean time to recovery. So when something very bad happens in production, we want to have a fast fix so that our customers can still work with the product.